spending your Friday with us, even though na malakas ang ulan at panahon ngayon. This is our opening, so thank you! Maraming salamat po. Nandito po kami ngayon sa opening night namin. We really do appreciate everyone's presence here. So yeah, we would like to invite all of you to invite all of your other friends and families to spread the word that we are already open. Magkita-kita po tayo sa mga susunod pa pong shows. And if ever you'll share your experience tonight, please don't forget